Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Comment if you know where this is. First time seeing one in the wild? Watch until the end. This is a whole series.
Twenty minutes later.
All that just to make a U-turn? That must have scared the living. The 5-minute back-in parking challenge in a gigantic spot. I don't want to be mean, but come on. This driver attempts to leave the gas station using the wrong exit. Risky move by the Ford driver, cutting across lanes to take an exit. This motorcycle is hidden behind a turning oncoming car. Am I wrong for thinking this is a great way to get killed? Why does this Tesla driver make an awkward left on red from a middle lane? I was just vibing when suddenly guess he changed his mind about the animal fries. Had a feeling they were going to pull a dumb move.
I knew it. I fucking knew it.
Red lights don't apply to this driver. not sure what she was thinking, but she got out of the car yelling like it was his fault. That is the worst place to break it down.
Twelve seconds later.
LA drivers doing LA driver things.
What?
Where is that?
Bro, you can't go straight. You can't go straight.
It is on, it's not by the campus.
What are you doing?
45.
Why should you let other cars pass? Just a couple of bozos trying to save 2 seconds. This impatient wrong-way driver puts everyone in danger. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.